Hello, this is a quick and short video about how to add on the SQLite Manager. One way is to just go to the Mozilla website for add-ons and then add on the SQLite database. And once it gets added on, or the other option is you can go into your menu and look at the add-ons, and especially once you've added it on, you should be able to see what are all the tools that have been added in. So in my case, I have added in SQLite, so I can now manage it and use it by going to SQLite Manager. I'm going to say I'm not going to open the last database, so I'm canceling out, and this is the environment that you will be working in. And I can say, well, it's going to be an entirely new database, and that's what we are going to work with. And I have a script that I've provided you for creating the sales comparison database. So I have the script in a text file, okay, right here, the SQL file. So if I open that up, it will give you the create table statements, and you can just put in, for example, create skill, and inside of this database, so I'm going to save this, let's say I call this, what was my plan? To call this skills comparison. Okay, so skills comparison, my window here, skills comparison, okay, and I want to take it into a particular folder called class discussion. So I will select the folder, and this skill comparison dot SQLite will go, the database will get stored with a dot SQLite extension. Now if I want to run or create the table, I would just say, I just copied and pasted from the text file that I've provided you, create table. If I run SQL, it creates the skill table with the ID and the name, and then I could also do an insert statement. Again, I provided this code, so I'll do this, and I've just copied it over so that I don't run the create table statement again. I'll run this, and then finally I'll do a select all from skill. Okay, I'll run this, and the result shows up here. So what I wanted to show in this video was just adding on SQLite, and once you've added it on, you might want to put it into some, like you can put it into the menu of your Firefox. Most of us have Firefox already installed. If you have not, then you'd obviously need to install the Firefox browser. And then once you have SQLite Manager installed, you can then open that up, and you can work within the SQLite Manager environment. Again, this is a very, very quick video. I wanted to make it so that you can at least start exploring SQLite Manager and connecting to SQLite. Now, if I wanted to open up a pre-existing database, for example, I've provided you with, where is my, let's see, right here in the module, I have provided you a database for the assignment. So let me show you. I think I have a second database as well. Student registration database. Okay, so let me show you the assignment database. For the assignment, I have this is I downloaded this database. Now I forget which source. This is basically airlines, flights, airports from pretty much all over the world that is in this database. It's a SQLite database, but as you can see, it is actually stored or created with a .db instead of a .SQLite extension. I'm going to, if I open it, it'll download onto my computer, and I'll do this show all, and then go to the directory where it's currently, I think, going to, let me see where it goes. Okay, it's in Module5. I want it to be, so I'll take this. Okay, so Control C. I'm going to copy it into my class discussion, Module5, class discussion. Okay, so even though this is flights.db, which is a database file, I can now, it is actually a SQLite. So if I basically close this database, then I can say when open or connect database, and it says SQLite DB files, but I can then change it to all files, and I'll see flights, open it, and I now have all the tables from the flights DB. Okay, I'll stop here, post it so that you have